So how do you search in the iPad's web browser? Let's talk about this, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the Foxtecc channel and therefore you will not miss anything important. So on your iPad, you can look up the Safari, which is the built-in web browser, and in order to search for something, just make sure you go to the plus section, you tap on plus to start a brand new tab, and you can literally just type something into the URL bar at the top, right? So you can type in an entire URL, like you can type like apple.com, or you can only just type in like Apple iPhone, right? And this will use a search engine to look it up. So when I literally type in Apple iPhone, it's going to use Google to look up the results for that. Keep in mind that you can also change the search engine. Let's say that if I type in Apple iPhone, I don't want this to be searched by Google, but by something else. You can change it if you go to your settings of the iPhone or iPad, right? You go to the bottom section where you tap on apps and then choose Safari from the list right here. The thing that we want to change is the search engine, which by default is set to Google, but you can make it be something else, like Yahoo is available or even Bing, right? And then, as I said, it would mean that if I look up the term Apple iPhone or literally anything else, it will not use Google, but it will use Bing to look that up. Keep in mind that if you type in the whole web address, like if I type in apple.com, it doesn't matter what the search engine is because I go directly to a website, right? So this is how you can search in the iPad's browser. If there are some other angles or other things you might be wondering about, let me know about those below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later.